Don Bosco Arts and Science College is now gearing up for NAC accreditation. The management, the teaching and the non-teaching staff, the students, parents, and the past peoples of this institution are working in tandem, working in close collaboration to complete the documentation process. This process requires exact document. For this purpose, we have been gathering data from as many sources as possible, keeping in touch with the students and the past peoples of this college. And currently, teachers are engaged in the verification of the data, contacting the past peoples. If the teachers contact you to verify the existing data that we have about you concerning your higher studies, your job, your profession, you are earnestly urged to provide us with accurate and specific information, and if there are some rectifications, if there is a revision required, please respond positively, please respond promptly. As you are all aware, the University Syndicate had declared Don Bosco Arts and Science College as a model college in the university based on the expert committee report. Based on the state-of-the-art infrastructure that we have, based on the quality of academic performance in the university examinations, with rank holders, university toppers, with A+ and A grade holders for various courses in our college, for the various programs in our college, and also taking into account the quality performance in university arts and university sports. And it is a matter of pride that our NSS unit was declared the best unit in Kannur University, along with the declaration of the best program officer and the best NSS volunteer from our own college. As we are going ahead with the NAC accreditation documentation process, we shall all continue to work together as a team to ensure that the information, the data that we offer to the Accreditation Council is accurate, is as per requirement.